Hi and welcome to another video. Now just a quick update on what's going on with the melon. Now as you can see, these have some this is about a 3-week melon. Yeah, 3 weeks old. So there's some mites on these, so I'm just gonna spray them off with some humectin or something like that, whatever it's called, some humectin, some fungicide, and also snail slug. So guys, you can see I'm gonna plant some melon, I'm gonna replant some, so they're just bursting out, and there's a lot of weed in here right now. There's a bigger tree, so you can see that there's some mite problem. I have some mite problem going on right here, so I just want to treat the mite problem for now, and then probably get this ground weed out. They're not looking so hot right now, guys. They're not looking so hot at all because of the mite problem, and there has been a lot of rain, so there's not enough sun. So I'm just doing the best that I can right now. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, or leave an advice. If you want to give me some advice, you can go ahead and do that. This is the sweet pepper that I planted from last year. Still a blossom and thing. So guys, you can go ahead and leave your advice in the comment section about the melon. Here I still have some young ones up right here, but I had planted some at home in a cell tray just in case these didn't burst, so I'm gonna have to transplant some because this is quilting away. I don't know why this one is quilting away and this one no bust yet. So yeah, anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.